Why can't I just film myself?
Welcome to my confusing life, I guess. If you didn't know, I moved back home about a month ago. I've been feeling different types of ways, and settling in has been taking longer than expected, which I'm going to be talking about in this unplanned video with snippets of my life right now and also projects that I'm doing to find back to happiness.
Am I too traumatized from all of those videos I made without a concept that I can't just vlog because I'm too scared that if I do a vlog and I'm not happy with it, I'm gonna feel depressed about the footage that I recorded and that it's not enough. Every idea I've had for this week, it just wasn't enough. So I decided to say, fuck me. We're just gonna make this video. And we're just gonna sit down. I'm gonna sit down and talk to the camera because that's the foundation of what I do. And if I can't even do that, I feel like there's a lot of integrity missing. And speaking of integrity, I feel like, I'm sorry if you hear some wild dog behind me. I feel this is currently a phase in my life where I don't have a lot of integrity, and I don't know, that's one of the strengths I try to cultivate and maintain within myself, because I think in the past I've had so many moments of feeling not in control of who I am and not stable in my personality. So just feeling a lot of lack of integrity. And I feel a lot better when I do have it and when I know who I am. Since I moved, I feel like I've turned inward because I guess I'm just confronted with different things that I was able to avoid when I lived by myself, and I was kind of trying to figure that out and sort that out in my mind. But I think that's gonna be a bit of a longer process. I started seeing people again, and I think that's really good for me. I've been trying not to fall into a hole, and I think I'm doing an okay job at that. At least I have something to work on, and I have a dog, which keep me on my feet and stop me from sleeping 24/7. And yeah, I guess the main message of this video is that I realized I kind of forgot how it is to be happy. And I've been living with a lot of sadness, and I've gotten used to it. There's literally something in the bushes. I hope it's just a hedgehog or something.
To carry on when you need solid ground. Just a single rose from me, the dreams to talk.
And I think I'm actually gonna have fun intentionally creating happy moments and working on curating my environment that I can feel calm and happy and productive. I might actually show you a couple of little projects I do in these next couple of days that are kind of fun.
My room is still a work in progress, and since I'm such an introvert, it's actually super important to me that my room acts as a retreat where I can just be by myself and relax. But all it has been up to now is chaos. Let's clean up this room and create the right vibe for chilling the fuck out and allowing me to be my introverted ass. Now we're fixing this carpet situation because this is how I've been opening and closing my door for the past 24 days. It was a hand workout, especially because I had to do this twice because it didn't measure it exactly. I put the rough edge to the wall and it honestly looks and fits great. And here is a glimpse into my finished room, which I'm going to share with you in a video soon. Another thing I've been doing is actually learning something new, and I can't tell you when the last time was that I sat down to learn something. And this video is not sponsored, but I do have a Skillshare subscription and I've been learning how to edit on Premiere Pro. So this video is the first one I'm doing and it's exciting actually, and it feels great to learn something new and just expand my mind. I couldn't have imagined how good it would feel.
Positive points to be made. I'm so happy about how much rent I'm saving. I'm automatically saving 800 francs every single month. And I think I can finally start filling up my savings account. Hashtag adulting. Another thing is I've been having a lot of fun with fashion, and since I've had a little bit more cash on the side, oh, he's rolling himself in more poop, I can invest in some wardrobe staples, which I haven't been able to in years, which is exciting. I feel like making some more fashion videos. But overall, I think also my content is probably, as I've mentioned in the past, just confusing because I'm confused, but I think I'm just gonna accept that fact, and I just need to even embrace it that my channel isn't just about one topic, because that's just not who I am. Like, I'm always changing what I'm interested in. Also, I'm very conflicted on a lot of things, but specifically self-help. Like, I just cringe at so many things and I just think it's bullshit. It's confusing for me because I do want to share self-help videos, but yeah, I'm just cringing at so many that I don't feel adequate to make them. I don't really know what's happening in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I actually enjoyed creating this, and I usually do enjoy creating the videos I do, but once they're uploaded and I think about it, I just get disappointed sometimes, and I just have very high expectations. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next Friday.
I pose questions to the ceiling like an answer gonna come. Truth is too revealing. Life is easier concealing all emotions till they start on your heart going numb. I shouldn't be in drive more. I just wanna feel alive more.